Hi everyone, welcome back to Conversion Chef YouTube channel. Today we will be talking about the cutest website builder that I have ever seen. And if you're a beginner and have no web development knowledge, this is for you. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Volusion is an e-commerce solution that was first started in 1999. Its headquarters is in Texas and offers a range of products in the e-commerce industry like shopping cart software, search engine marketing, custom website design, credit card processing, and a lot more. So I can say that you have everything that a beginner should have with a website builder. Now let's look at the platform and see why I mentioned that it is the cutest ever. So there you go, it has a very clean and user-friendly interface that a beginner would love. So Volution is an all-in-one e-commerce platform where you can build your website easily, add products, track your store performance, marketing through the different social media platforms, and many more. So we are now looking at the storefront of Volution, and in this section, this is where you can customize or create your website. So in the storefront, on the left, these are the different menus. The first one is your themes. So Volution has free themes available for you in here. However, you can also request to get a custom design from their team. But if you are still starting your business, you can find some good themes available in here. So let's say that we would like to use this one. And what's good about this website builder is that you already have a preview of the themes on this site. So you can see if this works for your goals for your website. You can test it and see if it works for you. The second one is your style editor. In the style editor, this is where you can customize your theme colors as well as select a unique font pairings. Below that is a brand customizer where you can upload your logo or just type a text logo. So what's good about the Volution is that they also have a logo design generator, which is you can try it for free. So this is a very great help for you, most especially if you are just a beginner because they are doing most of the work already. Now below that, this is where you can add some products. So in the product uploader, it's just very easy to create or add products. You can just click this button, upload an image of your product, for example this one, provide a product name, your product code, your price, and a description. Just save the product. And there you go, it has already been uploaded to your website. So that's just how easy it is to add some products. However, you can also bulk upload them in Volution. So below that, you also have here your site customizer where you can have your banner text, subtext, your call to actions, and some links. So below, or the second to the last one, is your pages. So you can add another item. So after your storefront, you also have here your dashboard. On the dashboard, this is just a basic statistic about your store performance. You have here your orders, your top 5 products, your top categories, trends, and many more. So if you would like to find some statistics or data that you can use for your marketing or for your strategy, then you can just go to your dashboard. You also have here your orders, your customers, and your inventory. So what's good about Volution is that they have here some marketing strategies. You can also link your social media platforms, like your Facebook, Google, eBay, and Amazon. So in their marketing, you can also create your newsletters, your gift certificates, and some SEO. So under SEO, you have here your meta tag descriptions, your meta tag titles. So this is to help your store and your products rank on the different search engines like Google. So you also have here your design. So beside the storefront, you also have here your designs where you can customize your themes. So aside from the customizer that we have mentioned earlier, you can also make use of the advanced editing where you can have your HTML and CSS if you have knowledge about web development. Under reports, this is where you can find some data if you are already making sales. So you have here your ROI or the return on investment, your affiliate stats if you are working with some affiliates, and some search terms. On the settings, this is where you can customize your account, your company, the shipping information, your tax. You can also set up your payment like for example PayPal or some other payment methods, your currency. This is an important section, so you have to set a currency like dollars or peso. So depending on the currency that you would like to use. So those are everything and every feature of the Volusion. So as you can see on this sample, everything is already set up. So what's good also with Volusion is that you already have here some trust badges, so you need not to worry about those. Now on the product page, one of the most important section in a product page is your review section. So you don't need to worry about that because in all the templates that they have provided in Volusion, they included the reviews. So to summarize, everything that you need in a website and to start a business with Volusion, everything is already in here. So from creating your website to inventory, marketing, and design, as well as the different basic inclusions of a website like reviews and some trust badges, all of these are already included in Volusion. So if you think that you would like to give it a try, then you can just sign up for an account in Volusion and try their 14-day free trial. So if you think that this works for you, then you can just upgrade your plan. So if you want to upgrade your plan, you can just go here. So their plan starts from $29 per month to $299 per month. So just scroll down and read these different features that they offer under each plan and see which works best for you. So that's it. That's everything about Volusion, and thank you for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye! Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and share this video, and we are happy to hear from you on the comment section. Visit our YouTube channel Conversion Chef for more videos about reviews of Shopify applications that can help you increase or boost your sales. You may also check the description below for the links of the applications and our mailing list. If you haven't subscribed yet, just hit that subscribe button as well as the bell to be notified with our new updates. I hope to see you on the next video. Bye!